Welcome back to the urban farmyard where the city girl goes country. And today we have another episode of my decluttering series. We're going to get into the living room and sort out the bookshelves. Hi there. Well, decluttering is proving to be incredibly therapeutic around here while we're in lockdown. It is giving me a really good focus each day and it's stopping me from going slightly mad, or slightly madder than usual perhaps. Today's project is going to be a nice quick one, I would imagine. I am going to get in and finally sort out the bookshelves in the living area. Now, this is going to be reasonably quick because I've actually only got one bookshelf in the living area at the moment. I need to bring another one down to the house, and it's also going to be quite straightforward because most of the books that I moved into this house with are still in boxes in the garage, and I'm not going to start bringing things down from the garage just yet. I want to get the house completely sorted out before we introduce any more stuff. So let's go and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything off the shelves and I'm going to give them a really, really good clean. Forever. These bookshelves were stored in the garage for about 18 months and they were absolutely filthy, so it's taken a fair amount of spray and wipe to get them back to normal, but that's okay, they are now done. The next thing I'm going to do is sort everything into categories. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you'll notice that I am a big advocate of sorting by category. It enables you to see how much of each type of item you have, which makes the decision making on whether it's going to stay or whether it's going to go a lot simpler. Now, the broad categories that I'm working with here are pretty simple. Books need to go on the bookshelves. There's maybe one or two decorative items that will also go on the shelves, but ultimately I'm going to leave most of the space for the books that I know that need to come down to the house from the garage. The other category of things I have here is sorting containers. So I'm going to take those off the bookshelves, keep them off the bookshelves, but just set them aside so that I can use them in other rooms which we are yet to declutter. So let's go and get some of these books back on the shelves. Now, my preferred way of sorting books is by colour. I think they look much better visually, and strangely enough, I don't find it makes it difficult to find books at all. I vaguely know what colour spine a lot of my books have, so I actually find that it's reasonably easy to go and retrieve books when they're sorted by colour. So I tend to sort by colour first and then I sort by size, so from tallest down to shortest, so that we have nice pretty shelves. So let's go get these things back on the shelves. That's everything back on the shelves, and I've got to say I have never seen such empty shelves. In my previous house I had 3 of these bookcases and they were completely chocker. I do love books, so this is going to be one of the challenges when I bring the other boxes of books down to the house, is I am going to have to rationalise the number that I have because I don't think they're going to fit on the shelves that I now have in this slightly smaller house. So that's it for today. I am going to leave these empty shelves completely empty for the time being, and I am going to sit down and have a think about which area we're going to get done tomorrow. I hope you're having a great time in lockdown, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.